How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can edit and move the prime tower in Bambu Studio. So it's going to be this one right here, and if you want to edit the prime tower, head over to the process setting, click others, and in here we have the settings for the prime tower. So you can edit out the speed, the rib wall, the enable button, so we can simply disable this if we want to, and then so on and so forth. But if you want to go ahead and move this, let's say that your model is big and the main model and the prime tower are being collided with each other, the way to move this is to just click on the actual prime tower right here, and then you could just drag it to wherever you want to. So let's say that you want to apply it onto the other side, and from here let's go ahead and reduce the width if we want to, and simply from there you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.